Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of Algebra. This is fifth question of its exercise 11.1. So the question says that the teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students? So use S for the number of students. So मैं given starts में assume कर लेंगे let S be the number of students. में given है the teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Number of pencils given to the student is equal to 5. Then can you tell how many pencils are needed? So total number of pencils ये हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. So ये हो जाएंगी हमारी number of pencils given to each student into number of students. So number of pencil given to each student हमें given है 5 and number of students हमने assume किए थे S. So हो जाएगा हमारे पास complete 5S. Thank you.